Who is Dr. Victor Chang, the famous Australian heart surgeon honored by the Google Doodle? The Chinese-Australian doctor was known as a pioneer of modern heart transplant surgery. A famous heart surgeon would have turned 87 today if he hadn't been murdered in a suburb of Sydney more than 3 decades ago. Born in China, Dr. Victor Chang would become one of Australia's most important cardiac surgeons, performing a heart transplant on a 14-year-old and saving hundreds of lives. The life of a pioneering doctor. Victor Chang was born in Shanghai in 1936 and sent to Australia to stay with extended family in the early 1950s. Chang eventually went on to study in the US and UK before returning to St. Vincent's Hospital in Sydney, Australia. In Sydney, he worked alongside the doctors who performed Australia's first heart transplant in 1968, according to the research institute named for him. Chang would perform the country's first successful heart transplant in 1984. A month later, he operated on 14-year-old Fiona Coote, who would become the longest surviving heart transplant recipient in the country. He was also known for developing an artificial heart valve that could be used in surgery.